So here is the fun story. This is very interesting and to be honest, is very close to my heart. So today I am taking you behind the story, behind the logo design of Saz Jewelry Store. Have you ever wondered that how does a logo make, what's the process, and how much efforts we put in, or as designers, how much we have to put in? But why it makes very special, because good thing is I am a partner with this jewelry brand. I am helping out in design and branding and websites, but it's just so fascinating for me to launch something that is so interesting and that's something I like to have, as you know, in my portfolio, that I have a jewelry brand. Like, even if it's very small, but I have something that I have been doing. So this is very interesting. So it's all started with the name Saz. Saz means instrument, melody in Urdu, a harmony. That is what we want to live with it in this brand, like be with harmony and peace, and something like that. So which this name came up with, and which perfectly captures elegance and harmony, right? So this is not just a cool part. Here's another cool part is there's also the initials of all the partners. So how's that meaningful for us? Me and my wife started brainstorming ideas. We have a lot of things to discuss because what we wanted to show is very important, and we have a lot of ideas, a lot of uh, things to put in the logo, because we want to grab our roots, our cultural traditional roots in that logo, but at the same time we want something modern to launch in some elegance, with some cool and trendy, but at the same time something related to the culture, directly related to our roots. So we ask these questions. So do we write it in Urdu? Should it feel luxurious? Should it feel elegant? Should it feel traditional? Should it be an emblem? Should we show the Pakistani culture when we are launching this in US? So these are all the questions that I was having in my mind, and to be honest, I was very excited, at the same time confused at how do I start, because I have so rich information and knowledge in both of the world. How can I resonate my logo with that? So my wife helped me out in brainstorming all the ideas and all the do's and don'ts, what we wanted to show. The other two partners that we have, they have their input as well, but they're not designers, so they're not sure what to do and what to show, but they do know what's a good logo. So we are sketching, we are doing a lot of stuff, collaborative efforts, and trying to find out what resonates with us and what does not. So next, we defined our brand identity. Okay, so it should not. We wanted Saz jewelry to be timeless, luxurious, but timeless, right? Like music that never goes out, like good music, it never goes out of style. We have tried different variations of the logo, emblem, modern, minimalistic, traditional, bold, classic. We try to juggle around a lot of ideas that how do we put this symbol into emblem, and maybe this, maybe that. There was a lot of conversation that was going on into that moment. After countless efforts and countless brainstorming ideas, we finally did it. Finally found the one that we resonate with and does tell the message. Now, here comes the fun part, that now we are somewhere near to our finalized logos. So I started a little bit better sketches, better. So I was playing with shapes, typography. I wanted to make it memorable yet elegant. So we experimented different styles, different kind of things that we have never done it. So we were experimenting many things, and we have some of the logos to launch in future that maybe we would go this to this, but obviously we have to select one. So we selected that one that right now we felt is just right. So we experiment a lot of stuff: calligraphy, Urdu writing, musical instruments, modern look. So I kind of I kind of ended up with creating something that resonates all of that in a symbol, and each and everything that is there is very intentional and very carefully put there. Here it is, a Saz jewelry, a minimalistic, modern, yet telling you a little bit of musical side, but modern at the same time. It gives you, a little bit of za, Saz, the za letter in the symbol, because it started from the S and ending in the Z, like za. So started from English to Urdu and incorporating musical instrument in that and keeping it simple altogether is the most important part. So that's what we did. I think I try to do the best. I try to do the justice. That's what the story is about. I know it's short, because I don't have many footages that while we were making this logo, but I'll try to include whatever piece that I have, and let me know how did you like it or did you not, and please help me out and tell your friends that I got this silver jewelry brand in US, and if you want some of the jewelry, you can ask me and buy it from Etsy. And if you are a new jewelry store or jewelry designer or anyone and want your logo to tell your story, to tell your dreams, you tell your ideas, and you want to resonate with that logo, let me know. I can help you. I can be a consultant or maybe a designer. Let's see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.